Hi! Yes, soy sauce and lemon. Do the sausawan dyan sa soy sauce, lemon. There's a lemon there. And then, what's that? And then, chili.
The calamity?
No, there's a lemon there. In the foil, I put there in the table, small table. There is a sliced lemon there. You can use it. So yes, we're gonna have lunch here at home. We're gonna have, look, drumstick. Yes. Bon appetit. Today is Saturday. I have pala my sweet potato. Look, my sweet potato. It's so, looks...
Put some butter in it.
Mmm. So good. Mm. Of course, we have rice. We have chili from Vietnam. We have Dijon, original Dijon.
Dijon.
And then we have also mayo. And we're gonna have also fried egg. Wow, I super like this one. I super like the sweet potato. It's good with the butter. And then egg cooked by my husband. So good. I'm starving.
Chili?
Yes, chili. So good.
I got 7.
Yeah. Okay. And then our drumstick is with with herbs. I'm gonna try it everything so you can see. Wait, I'm gonna put this one is spicy, actually, but it's still hot. It's fresh from the air fryer. Air fryer is really magic. It's like mukbang.
Is it live?
No.
Nice.
I like the bone, so I always have the bone. It's like mukbang, I'm doing mukbang.
All of them?
Yeah. Okay. Bon appetit.
You can have mustard forever as well.
Mustard.
Forever.
I'm gonna have also mustard.